Today I'm working on an Eaton 13-speed transmission on the Mack truck, so dump truck that I have. Changed the transmission fluid. It was pretty dirty. Made it shift a lot better. Was still having problems, and then I took off the top cover to have it inspected. Everything was good, but I noticed this high and low range pin here was bent, which it had been before, and it's not a coincidence because I think the inside of the hole here is either corroded or kind of gouged up, so that's causing it to bind up, and then it breaks, and then have tough time shifting when that happens. There is the end of the pin right there. The camera focuses in here. Right there. I have to heat it up. And it taps out in this direction. I had to tap it out this way, get it straightened up, and then heat it up and tap it out. It can get bent too and knocked down like this. When you put the top cover on, it's better to take this side modulator apart here. Take it out first. And this is a used pin here. And this one here is broken. And there's a spring that goes in this part. And I extended a shifter here because it was a bit too low and shortened it this way. It had to be a bit more forward and it had to be higher up. I noticed this was missing the ball bearing here. There's 3 ball bearings. I'm missing the one right there. Maybe it fell out. It wasn't in there before. So I'm gonna have to get a new one before cleaning that part out and putting this back together. And this is the truck that it's on. And it's raining out, very wet conditions in Canada. No luxury of having a big shop enclosed with heat and dry. Not yet. That's what you gotta go on when you change the transmission fluid. All this wet and mud. Set that piece of cardboard, add that to keep me dry.